tasted delicious. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a Philippine national dish. So I am going to introduce to you today adobo chicken rolls. It's so delicious. I hope definitely you guys like it. Let's start. So beginning, this is our boneless chicken breast. First things, we will remove excess skin and fats. So I am going to cut square of 3-inch each. Alright, our cutting almost done. Alright, my boneless chicken ready to mix our ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to make the base. Alright, step 1, I'm going to mix beginning soy sauce, vinegar, chopped garlic, peppercorn, now I am going to introduce to you two kind of miracle spice, cinnamon stick. This is the flavoring, also wonderful smell. Yes, this is the another one, cardamom. This is the also multi flavoring, also awesome smell. Now we have to mix properly everything. Alright. Now keep it 20 to 30 minutes marinades. Alright, our step 1 we done already. So I am going to prepare bread roti, all purpose. 1.5 cup of all purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now mix properly. Now I am going to mix baker's butter. Add some more. Alright, 1/2 cup of warm water. Now mix properly. Alright, our dough is coming nice. Alright, our dough is ready. Now it's gonna keep it another 30 minutes. Alright, now we go back to our adobo. Chicken marinade already. Okay, good. Now we heat our pan. So now I am going to use pure coconut oil. So now I am going to cut 2 pieces of medium onion. Alright, our onion is ready. Now we have to mix to the oil. I add into the oil. Let it brown, lower the heat. Golden. Right, now you can add the chicken. Wow. Now chicken mix properly. Make sure not add any water because chicken have already water. Toss the flour and leave it. Now I'm going to cut couple of potato. Right. All right, our chicken already getting better. I want to add some more potato. Mix properly. Give it another 5-10 minutes. Low heat. Our adobo almost ready. Our adobo chicken curry already finished. Close and close our heat. Now we go back to our roti. My duck is ready. So before you start rolling out, the duck is dust. Just work surface with flour. Right. Look at this. Alright, I'm now going to cut exact amount of 4 pieces. Alright. Start by rolling in one direction, then rotate the again, and as it gets larger, each at least 10 inches, rolling up and down. Our plate is heating. This is our adobo chicken rolls. Look at that guy. It's bubble coming. Now we have to change the position. Wow, see the water beautiful. Hi guys, I have a preparation. Cucumber, onion, apple, tomato, lettuce. Added some black pepper, some salt. Wow, super. Now I need to smash the chicken. How to do? Right guys, I'm going to smash our chicken. Just like this. Wonderful. Alright, I will spread potato like this. Added chicken, adobo. Look at this. Add some salad. Alright guys, now roll up. Alright, perfect. Transfer to the plate. Again, potato spread. combine. What a taste, guys! Trust me, very delicious. This is the adobo chicken roll. Wonderful. The flavor explodes my mouth. That is the next level flavor, amazing, guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next video. Bye bye.